Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Real quick before we get started, just a reminder to please like, subscribe, and share the channel with someone you think would enjoy our content. That all really helps the channel out. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 90. If we start with this box, we're missing 4 and 8, and I don't see any help. So 4, 8, 4, 8. For this box, we're missing 4, 7, and 8. We've got the 7 covering these two boxes. So 4, 8, 4, 8. And that means that the 7 for that box has to be here. For this row, we're missing 1, 4, and 8, and the 1 can't be here, so it must be here. For this column, we're missing 2, 3, and 4. We've got the 3 covering these two boxes, so our 3 must be here. But I don't see any other help. So 2, 4, 2, 4. If we look at this row, we're missing 4, 5, and 8. We've got 5 and 8 here, so this is our 4. That makes this our 8, 5. That 8 makes this our 4. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 8. We've got the 8 here, so 2, 8. For this column now, we're missing 7 and 9, and I don't see any help. So 7, 9, 7, 9. For this column, we're missing 2, 7, and 9. We've got the 9 here, so 2, 7, 7 here, so 2, 9. 9 here, so 2, 7. That means the only place the 9 can be in that column is here. And the only place in this box that can be the 2 is here. And that 2 makes this our 7. For this bottom row, we're missing 4, 7, and 8. We've got 4 and 7 here, so this is our 8. 4 here, so 7, 4. For this column, we're missing 2 and 8. We've got the 8 here, so 2, 8. That 2 makes this our 4, 2. For this top row now, we're missing 1 and 5. We've got a 1 here, so 5, 1. For this row, we're missing 1, 3, and 4. We've got the 1 and 4 here, so this is our 3. 1 here, so 4, 1. That 4 makes this our 8, 4. For this box now, we're missing 5 and 9. We've got a 5 here, so 9, 5. For this box, we're missing 2 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 2, 8. For this box, we're missing 2, 3, and 8. We've got 2 and 3 here, so this is our 8. Don't see any other help. So 2, 3, 2, 3. For this column, we're missing a 7. That 7 makes this our 9, 7. For this column, we're missing 3 and 9. We've got the 9 here, so 3, 9. That 3 makes this our 2, 3. And for this box now, we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 1 here, so 2 and 1. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.